Hey, welcome back to the Improvement Channel. Today I'm here with my friend Aiden. Aiden, tell them what we're going to be doing.
We're going to do a rose using a grinder and a hammer and a torch. Stay tuned. I want you to stay tuned to the very end because there's awesome outtakes with me at the end.
You see if you can get that on open for me. Pull the plastic. We are going to make some sparks. We're going to measure this rod. It's 4 feet long. Okay, well, what's 3 equal parts of 4?
They don't teach me that.
They don't? What's 4 plus 12?
16.
Perfect. So we're going to mark that at 16. We just have to make 2 cuts, one at 16, one at 32. Keep your hand on that, hand on this. I'm going to start it, okay?
What'd you think, Aiden? You liked it?
Yeah. All right, so now we've got enough to do all 3 roses that come in the pack. If you're interested in picking up your own 3-pack of roses or a 12-pack or some of the other really cool things that's for sale, check out the link in the description. This is a buddy of mine that I did a video with. I got those from him while I was up in Oklahoma City shooting that video. He's got lots of cool things for sale, great things that adults can do with kids. You can really make some very good memories with children making things like this, as well as great memories for me. I know Aiden and I both, we had a blast making this project. And if you'd like to save 10% on your purchase, simply use the coupon code IMPROVE at checkout. That's coupon code IMPROVE at checkout to save 10%.
You need to smash that like button, turn the notification bell on, and subscribe.
All right, I'm gonna do the first one. You see that?
I do not want to do that.
Huh?
I do not want to do that.
Here,
No.
I'll help you. I'll help you. Will you pull the trigger for me?
No.
Okay. Well, put your hand on it and at least help me hold it on here, okay? Ready? Here we go. You saw what I did, right?
Yeah.
All right. Good. I thought you was watching.
I just want to pull this trigger.
Yep. Here you go. Now hang on. As soon as that trigger gets pulled, the wire starts coming out. So you gotta wait till you get it right here. All right, we're about to go again, guys. All right. Get your other hand on it too. That's good right there. Okay. Hold it right there where you want it, and pull the trigger and move it around just a little. Okay, good. All right, you did that by yourself. So now we're gonna drop it down here, because we're gonna drop this piece on, and I think I'm gonna weld that piece. Okay, good. Let it go. Good. Let's see if you got it. It's on there. All right, you ready? Whenever you're ready, go for it. Here we go, guys. All right, let's see how he did. A little close. Try to get the post and that piece. All right, here we go. Get further away. Try to hit the post and that. Go. Go. All right, we got it. Your welds and my welds look a lot alike. Like beginner. But that's okay, you know why? We're both beginners, aren't we? Drop that on there. It's hot. You got gloves on, it'll be alright. Last one. You want to do it? See, normally what you want to do is you want to lean down and and do it so it's easy and steady, okay? That's
Can
hard
you
for
do
you.
that one?
No, I'm gonna help you though, okay? Alright, got it? Go ahead and pull it. Pull it. Okay, that's good. Alright, let's spin it around. Well, let's just hit it on this other side. Alright. Hey, you're good at that, buddy. Good job. You're gonna be passing me up in no time. Alright, it's done. How's it look?
Good.
No, it's not done, silly. Yeah, that's not gonna work, is it? We're gonna do it the more fun way.
Ah, flame!
You like that? We're gonna have to be careful with you. So now we sure don't want to touch this. It's gonna be hot, okay? So I'm gonna heat this one up. I'm gonna bend it a little bit, all right? I don't even want you touching this with gloves on, okay? I don't want you touching this even with your gloves on.
I know.
Okay.
Because that red part, it's really hot. Can I bend it though?
Yeah, I'll let you bend one here in a minute. Let me get it red and I'll let you bend it, okay? I want you to make the next one look like this one. Wow, Aiden did an awesome job with this project. He's 7 years old and he stuck with us the whole time. Between filming and making this rose, we were in at about an hour and a half, and he was interested from beginning to end. I think we've got a future YouTuber on our hands. Now you had it, pull it, hold it. Okay. Hey, a quick reminder, stick around to the end for some awesome outtakes.
Are we gonna put water on it at the end?
Probably not. I don't need to.
I'm gonna put this in the backyard. I'm gonna paint it.
Oh, you gonna keep this?
Yeah.
I thought it was mine.
No.
Oh, you know I'm kidding with you. I like you. Thanks in advance for hitting the like button, subscribing, and commenting on this video. It helps other YouTubers find this type of material that they would enjoy, and it helps me grow my channel. So thanks a lot. Heat it up.
I've seen people do this while the fires are there.
Yeah. Yeah, the material we're doing isn't that thick. We can check and see how thick it is here in a minute, but it's not so thick that we have to have the pliers on it that fast. That heat in the metal really makes it softer, don't it? But you know, the metal gets hard again as soon as it cools off.
Like it just did.
Yeah, hang on. Let's see if we can get this squeezed in here.
Well, I didn't do it much.
I want it. Yeah, it's okay though. Don't take it. I've got some other really cool projects planned. I picked up a couple more weld things from Richard up at 42 Fab. My youngest son Devin and I are going to get started on one soon. We're making plans for that. I am finishing up a welding table finally. So that's going to be coming on a video very soon. So stay tuned for that. Make sure you're subscribed so you'll catch all these cool things that are coming. The Hobart welding cart was just built and that's available. My 8-part series on the Hidden Fence project is ready to watch. Maybe having some updates on that. I'm kind of having some HOA issues. I have a meeting with them very soon, so you may be getting an update there. Lots going on. Love to have you as a subscriber. Keep the whole thing up though. There you go.
That's reflecting.
That's good. You know, you do a really good job of listening. You know what? Your teachers ever tell you that?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, good. I'm glad to hear it. I like my roses real tight, like they're when you first get them from the flower shop, versus after a few days when they kind of start opening up. what's your preference on that? If you were going to buy this kit, would you do yours tighter like that, or would you rather have yours opened up? Also, if there's anything that you see that would have been easier, you might have noticed that earlier on I used a grinder to cut these pieces apart. That could have easily been done with some 10 snips. It's 22 gauge material. But, you know, a grinder's a lot more fun when you're 7 than 10 snips. So anytime you can use a power tool, it really keeps really keeps children interested. So along with preferences on whether you like your rows tightened up or more opened up, what other things do you think could have been done with this to make it look more realistic? Would you paint it? Would you let it rust? Would you like to put acid on it? Just give me what your top thoughts are to really make this project pop. And maybe on one of the next 2, I'll try to do that at home and maybe post some pictures on a different video. I won't do another just rows video since I've done this one, but I plan on having one of these near my welding table when I film so that it can be seen in other videos. So look forward to your input on that. Of course, leave that down in the comments. And also, if you want to shoot me some ideas for some other projects that you'd like to see me do, I'm wide open with that. I'm trying to go more toward welding projects, but anything that's happening around the house, I'm pretty much game for it and working on it. So let me know what you guys would like to see, because I'm always looking for really good ideas. Tomorrow's the day before your birthday?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Man. Got caught you at a busy time, didn't we?
I'm coming home early because I have to wait to get my room ready.
What's going on with your room?
I'm changing it. I still have my baby room.
You're getting a big boy room?
Yeah.
Hang on. Get down on the bottom of that hammer. There you go. Wait a minute. Hit it right on this. When you get tired of hitting, let me know. I think that's got it. Let me hit it. Let's see if I can hit a couple things right here. Now, Aiden, do you see what we're doing here? What did we do with the what did hitting it do?
It made it like dense.
Dents, and it's not straight anymore. Looks like a rose now, don't it?
Here's our finished product.
I'd like to thank my friend Aiden here for helping me out on this project. I'd like to thank 42 Fab. There's a link in the description if you want to order one of these. I think this is a great product to do with a friend, your kid, or whatever. It's just some good time together. Hope you enjoyed it. See you on the next one. All right, you ready, Logan? You recording? Yeah.
Smash that like button.
It's all right. We're gonna do an intro. You ready? Let me think. Hold on. Welcome back to the Improvement Channel. Today we're here with my good friend Aiden. Of course, Jeffrey. He's just chilling. Aiden, tell them what we're gonna do today.
We're gonna make a rose out of metal with torches.
Welcome back to. Tell them what we're gonna get into today.
We're gonna make a rose. A rose out of metal with a softener, a hammer, and a grinder.
What's a softener?
I don't know.
Okay. I want you to look at that little white thing. I want you to stay tuned till the very end because there's some awesome outtakes with me in them.
I want you to stay tuned because there's awesome outtakes with him.
Awesome outtakes with me in them.
Like me.
You, right? Yeah. It's a more fun way.
Flame.
You like that? We're going to have to be careful with you. We are gonna make some sparks.
I'm gonna make a fire in the morning.
Why?
Maybe start the house on fire.
No, let's not talk like that. I can't put that in the video. Why would you want to start the house on fire? You want to live outside?